Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to change the keyboard color theme in Vivo T1 Pro smartphone. Before you start the video, register to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, open the app drawer, then choose search local apps. Now Gboard is got opened. You need to click on the settings of the Gboard. Now choose the themes. Now you can see lot of themes available. If you want to show more theme, you need to click on show more. If you want to add your own theme, you need to click on the my themes and plus you can add your own image from the camera. So I will add my image. Also you can scale and drag to move that. Click on done. If you want to keep borders, you can enable. If you don't want, you can disable that. Now click on apply. Now keyboard theme is changed customizably. It's a very useful one. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.